Well, good afternoon. This is Dan by His Hands Honeybees. Here in my apiary this afternoon is June the 9th, about 3:30 in the afternoon. I came driving through and noticed I got a little swarm on my swarm trap here. So I just figured I'd take you along with me as I gather them up, and we're gonna put them in a box and see if we can't get them back in the apiary here. So as you can see, they're pretty gentle. Not a huge swarm, but I've got a box already ready, and I'm gonna pick it up, put it under them, and just slide it in there and kind of see what happens. Oh, here's my box. So hopefully I got the queen in there. Kind of take a peek and see if I can see her. Can't get these ladies back in here. All right, so I got them in the box. I've got a jar of sugar syrup I'm gonna put on them. I'll look inside the swarm trap, see if there's anything in there, but I think they were just mostly on the outside. So anyway, that's pretty it. Short and sweet. Thanks for watching.